right, that looks beautiful. Put that to the side. And we're instantly gonna grab our whipped cream cheese and we're gonna use this whole container and put it right in there with our eggs. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious appetizer. I love making this when I have family coming over. It's great for any holiday and it tastes amazing. Okay, let's get all of that out. This is an 8-ounce container, so you could just use a block if you prefer. Just make sure it is softened. Next thing we're gonna be adding is some mayo. And we're gonna add about half a cup of mayo into there, just like so. Ooh, this is smelling good already. Now I'm gonna come in with my Dijon mustard. This is the best mustard if you ask me. And we're gonna add about 1/3 a cup of mustard. I'm measuring with my heart. You guys can use actual measurements if that's what you prefer, but I like to keep it easy and with less dishes. Now I'm gonna season this with a little bit of black pepper. You can add as little or as much as you like. And then of course, some paprika.
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 Is it paprika or paprika?
I don't know, it's delicious. All right, just a little bit of that. And then the last thing we're gonna add to this mixture is some dill, some fresh dill. And we're just gonna kind of cut that right in there. If you don't like dill, you can skip it. But I just feel like dill goes so beautifully with the egg and the mustard and the mayo. This is kind of a play on a classic. And I think you guys are really gonna love it because it's not only easier, it is, in my own opinion, it's more delicious. Okay, so we're just gonna get all of that dill in there.
That's a lot of dill.
Ooh, I know, it smells delicious. Okay. I think that's good. All right, I'm gonna bring in my hand mixer and we're gonna start blending this all together. Ooh, look how creamy that's looking. We have the eggs, the mayo, the cream cheese, the mustard. Oh my. All right, that looks absolutely beautiful. All right, we're gonna transfer this to a smaller bowl for a better presentation. And we're gonna make sure you get all of that in there. Ooh, 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 so easy. We're already almost done. Like, come on, no excuses to not whip up a delicious appetizer. All right, so we got all that goodness in there. Let's make sure it looks extra smooth. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna transfer this to my little platter for beautiful serving. I'm just gonna do a little bit of paprika right on top, very light, just to add some more color. And then I think some freeze-dried chives will go delicious on our deviled egg dip. Yep, you heard that. This is a deviled egg dip and it is incredible. Now for dippers, I have some petite carrots that we can put on one side. And then we have some club crackers. And these will go beautifully right next to it.
That's a cool little technique you got there.
Oh yeah, I've been a hostess for a long time. Our appetizer is ready for serving. Personally, I am a cracker kind of gal, so I'm gonna grab a cracker and dig in.
Big whole bite.
Oh yeah, looks delicious.
Is it good?
It's great, but I think I put too much mustard.